Oh, hello again. So today we are dealing with an unfortunate situation where one of the kids has knocked off the garage sensor, so the garage door doesn't close anymore. So here's what we need to do. We have our tape measure. It's about all you're going to need. And first, you come and look at the other bracket. You see the bottom of the bracket's at about 5 1/4. So we're gonna walk back to this one. And these you can just jam on by hand. And we're gonna go for about 5 1/4. It doesn't have to be perfect. And you jam it on. Now, the real trick is, here, let's trade places. To get this to work right, is this is the sensor. It needs to have a clear path to the other sensor. And so you just slowly move it till the light is steady and green. It can't be flashing, it needs to be solid. So because it got banged up, it probably needs to be bent a little. There we go. And it's nice, solid green. And with that, oh, sorry, I forgot, we gotta tighten, oh, I'm in noise. We wanna tighten the wing nut, making sure it stays a solid green, and then we'll back up. And then everything goes how it's supposed to. The garage door should close. But it should close. Nice. And that's it.